Like palak paneer but don't want the extra fat? Here's my version. A family favorite weeknight meal, loaded with veggies and protein. I'm using 2 big bunches of spinach. It definitely looks like a lot now, but actually it is not. Tender baby leaves are less bitter than the mature ones. I'm going to cook the leaves separately in water, so start by using half a cup of water. Also add a handful of cashew nuts. I won't be using cream and this gives it the required texture. Also add about a teaspoon of salt and 2 green chilies. Once the water comes to a boil, add all the leaves. Let it cook over medium flame. The leaves will begin to wilt. Give it a flip once in a while so that all the sides and the leaves cook completely. Once everything gets cooked properly, switch off the flame. Let it cool down to room temperature. Heat some oil over medium flame and then add the whole spices. I'm using 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 3 peppercorn, 3 cardamom and 4 cloves. Also add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it splutter. Add 2 teaspoons each of grated ginger and minced garlic. Give it a good stir. If using ginger garlic paste, you'll have to use it after the onions are cooked. Now add about a cup of chopped onion and cook it until the onion is a light golden with no raw smell. Adding a teaspoon of salt during the cooking process makes the onions sweat and helps them cook faster. Add 2 teaspoons coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add half teaspoon each of red chili powder and turmeric powder. We are also adding a handful of Kasoori Methi. Kasoori Methi gives it a very beautiful aroma. Add a cup of tomatoes. Adding the tomatoes at this stage gives it the desired amount of moisture and prevents the spices from burning. Make a puree now out of the cooled spinach. Our onion tomato mixture has now become mushy, so we are going to go ahead and add the spinach puree. Also add the required amount of water. We don't want it too thin. It should be pretty thick in consistency. We are also adding a teaspoon of garam masala. I am using Kitchen King. This is a personal favorite and not any kind of brand promotion here. Use 400 grams of low-fat paneer cut into cubes. Once the spinach puree comes to a light boil, add the paneer. If you prefer, you may also fry the paneer a little bit before adding it to the curry. Since I'm not using fried paneer, I'm going to let the curry come to a simmer so that way the paneer is also cooked. Switch off the flame now. Palak paneer is now ready. Look at the consistency. I'm serving the dish with some garlic naan and lacha pyaz. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.